All right, so we have a few things to look at here. Actually, I think I'm going to check for bad user input first. I'm going to change the order of these. So I think what we want to do here actually is we need to, like when you're, I think we did something like this in Go Room. Yeah, you check for the second word to see if there's a second word. So in the case of the room, we needed to have a second word, so we knew where to go. In the case of the back command, we don't want a second word, right? So, but we still need to kind of do this, passing the command business. So let's do that. In our back, let's pass the command. Just like we did in Go Room command, we'll do back command. So Go Room, we had this parameter, and we'll do that in back. And how did we check? Okay, then this is how we check to see if it has. This was for checking to see if there was no second word, right? The exclamation point means not. But actually for us, the mistake is going to be if there is a second word, because you should just be saying back without any second word. Okay, paste. And that's kind of what they're asking us about here. They're saying, what does your program do if a player types a second word after the back? Does it behave sensibly? So, I'm going to get rid of this exclamation point. And see here it says if there is no second word, you don't know where to go. That was for the go command, right? For back, if there is a second word, let's just say we don't know what to do. Maybe like, I don't know, I can only go back to the previous room, something like that. Okay, and return. Okay, so now we've handled the case where the user has typed in something wrong. So if we, let's see. So let's test that out. So now, make a new game. Alright, so let's say go south, go east. So now we're in the study, so when we go back, we should go to the living room. Back. If I say back home, it should give me that message, right? Yeah, I can only go back to the previous room. Okay, so now we have something reasonable in place. So if the player types in, let me just quit out. So if the player types in something wrong, it lets them know. Okay, so we did this one. So the next thing to do is check to see if we actually can go back. And in this context, really, what I'm interested in is, is there anything in previous room? Actually, I think I can do that one real quick right now, too. Let's see. So what we could do is, here we could just say, if previous room is null, right? That's where we have a problem. If the previous room is null, system.out but you can't go back from here. Something like that. And return. Right? Okay, so now that way, if we started out already at the entrance, we can't go back any farther. Right? So let's try that one. So we'll say new game, play. All right, so let's try it. Let's say go back, even though we can't go back from here. Now there's still a problem here. So if I say, remember, go south, and now if I say back, I go back to the entrance. Now what I want is that, since I'm at the entrance, if I say back again, it says you can't go back from here, but notice I'm still in the entrance because it's whatever was saved the last time to my previous room. I didn't set previous room back to null when I backed up to the entrance hall or something. So we have some more work to do. And also, we just, in general, right, we want to be able to go back multiple times. So we're going to have to store not just one previous room, but a collection of previous rooms. All right? And that gets a little more involved, so we'll do that in the next video.